In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop your desktop background from automatically changing in Windows 11. If you've set a specific wallpaper that you adore or find particularly soothing, but it keeps changing on its own, we've got the perfect solution for you. Windows 11 offers a few customization options for your desktop background, but sometimes those settings can lead to an unintended slideshow effect. So, let's get started, and I'll take you through the process step by step. First, let's open up the Settings menu. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard simultaneously. This shortcut is perfect for accessing settings with minimal effort and makes it easy to navigate your Windows system without having to scroll through menus. Now that we're in the Settings window, look over to the left pane and select Personalization. This is where you'll find options that control various aspects of how Windows looks on your PC. Personalization controls things like colors, themes, and of course, our focus today, the background. After you've clicked on Personalization, you will see a range of options related to Windows customization. We're interested in the background option here, which will be right at the top. Click on Background to proceed to the next step. In the background settings, you'll see an area labeled Personalize Your Background. This is where we can ensure that your desktop wallpaper stays consistent and doesn't change automatically. Here, you'll have a few different choices from a drop-down menu. What we want to focus on selecting is Picture. Under this option, you can choose a single picture to be your wallpaper. This is important because selecting Picture ensures that only your chosen image will appear as the background, rather than a series of images. If the slideshow option is selected instead, Windows will cycle through multiple images in a designated folder, changing the background automatically over time. But since we want to stop this from happening, make sure Picture is the option you've chosen. If you had Slideshow selected before, just click on the drop-down menu and pick Picture to set it as your default. Finally, you'll want to select your preferred wallpaper if you haven't already. You can either use the ones available through Windows or click Browse to select an image from your own files. Once you've chosen your favorite image, the preview will immediately show it as the desktop background. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your desktop to have a single, unchanging background on Windows 11. By following these easy steps, you can personalize your computer to reflect your style without worry. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Windows experience.